Chapter 1.1 Solving Simple Equation. Key idea to solve simple equation using multiplication property and division property. Multiplication property of equality is if you multiply same number on each side of an equation, then you're going to get an equivalent equation. For example, if A equals B, then you multiply C on both sides, you're going to get same equation. Similarly, for division property, if you divide same number on both sides of an equation, then you're going to get an equivalent equation. For example, if A equals B, then you divide a number C on both sides, then you're going to get an equivalent equation. So what it means is that you have to balance the equation. If you multiply one side with C, then you have to multiply the other side with C. Again, if you multiply 2 on one side, then you have to multiply the same number 2 on the other side. For division as well, if you divide some number from one side, then you have to divide the same number from the other side. Now let's talk about example number 2. We are discussing example number 2, negative 3 over 4 n equals negative 2. Here our main focus is to find n value. To do that, we have to remove this 3 over from this side. There are multiple ways to remove the 3 over 4 from this side. One thing you can do is that you can multiply negative 4 from this side, and you have to multiply the same number negative 4 on the other side. This will cancel the from the bottom, and it will cancel the negative as well. You're left with 3n equals negative 2 times negative 4 will produce 8. And to get the n by itself, you're going to divide this 3 from both sides. So you're going to get n equals 8 over 3. Now let's see if we get this correct answer or not. We are going to use this n value, and we're going to plug this n value into the main or original equation. Our original equation is negative 3 over 4 n equals negative 2. So let's just plug the value n equals 8 over 3 into the original equation, and that is negative 3 over 4 times n. And instead of n, we are going to use its value 8 over 3. We are going to cancel the 3 from the bottom and the top, and you're going to get here 8 over 4. So negative 8 divided by 4 will give you negative 2, which is the same as the other side. So you're going to get the two sides equal to each other. So your checking part is complete. So let's talk about solve pi x equals to 3 pi. Here we are going to find out the x value. So you have to get rid of the pi for applying any operation. So you're going to divide pi on each side. That will separate the pi from this side, and x would be equals 3 because pi would cancel this pi. Now let's just check that if x value equals 3 is a correct value or not. We're going to use the given equation pi x equals 3 pi. And we're going to use this x value that we just found from solving. So we're going to put that x value here. And we know that pi times 3 is 3 pi, so which is correct. So our answer, both sides are equal, which means that our answer is correct.